Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to MySQL tutorials. In today's lecture I am going to demonstrate you aggregate functions. A table is created, is written in front of you. The query of this table is this, and the name of the table is payments, and here I have the payment ID and the customer name and the amount and the date of the payment. The scenario is like you are selling something and you are receiving the payment from the customer in parts, or you can say in installments, whatever you can give the name. Okay, so let's say if the customer is buying an item worth rupees 50,000 rupees, and now you are collecting the payment from the customer on monthly basis. Let's say in 1 month the customer is paying 5,000, and in another month the customer is paying 2,000 rupees, and so on. Okay, so likewise you wanted to see how much the total amount the customer has paid, or how many customers do you have, or how much the sum for a particular month you have collected. So whatever the query, you can be easily applied with the help of aggregate functions in MySQL. So let us first create this table by clicking on the go button. You can see a table is created with the name where is that table? Okay, here is my table payments, and now let us insert some records in it. So I have already written a query for insert. Let me copy this and come here and select this table payments, and now go to its SQL and now paste the query. Here you can see I have written some records here. Ali, let's say this is one customer. He is paying 5,000 in the month of January in 2019 on the day 1st, and likewise on the month of February he again paid 5,000, and so on. Likewise on every month on 1st of particular month the Ali customer is paying the amount, that is 5,000. And likewise Hamad is also another customer. He is paying variable amounts on different months in the particular period that you have specified here. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us insert this record. Go. You can see 10 records inserted successfully. Let us see how records are displaying here. Okay, now if the owner or the manager wanted to display the overall records, how many records do you have inside this particular table? So you can write a query with an aggregate function, that is count. Select count, and count what? Count everything. Or you can specify name of any column. Let's say pay underscore cust name, whatever. This is same as this one. Now from the table name is payments. Okay, when you execute this query, what will happen? Let us see. You can see the count is returning me 10. Okay, count function returns 10 because I have 10 records. Okay, and now if I apply where clause here, so you can see what will be the difference. Where pay underscore cust name equals to Ali. So if I wanted to see how many installments Ali has given to me, so this is the query you can apply. You can see 5 records. Okay, so this is how you can do programming and coding and database designing within your application. Now let us do another aggregate function, that is the sum. Okay, for sum you need to write here sum, and then which column do you want it to sum inside your database. Let me show you first. Of course summation is based on numbers and numeric columns, so I have pay underscore amount column here. So when I write here pay underscore amount, and I have written here where customer name is equals to Ali. Let's see what will happen after writing this. So you can see the total amount of Ali is appeared here. Okay, now let us go and do something else. This is the sum method, and you can, if you wanted to see the maximum amount that Ali has given to me, so you can specify another aggregate function, that is max. So the maximum amount that Ali has given to me will be fetched out, as you can notice here. Okay, likewise if you wanted to find the minimum amount of Ali that he has given to me, so you can specify min here as well. Let us go and execute. You can see the minimum amount is 5, and if I write here Hamad, let's see what will be the output. Hamad, and then go. So you can see the minimum amount that Hamad has given to me is 3,000. So likewise you can apply as many situations as you want to apply in this MySQL. So let's say I wanted to get the average amount of the particular customer that how many or how much amount a particular customer has given to me every month in an average. So for that purpose, the last function we have to see here is the average function, that is AVG. And with the help of this function, you can get the average amount per month given by the customer Hamad. So let us execute this and see what is the result. You can see the average amount is appearing here is 4,100, and if you select all the records, so you can see Hamad has given different amounts, but the average amount is appearing here as 4,100 because the formula of average is the sum of records divided by the total number of records. Okay, so this is the formula of average that is applied in this particular query. So hopefully you have understood all the aggregate functions. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.